Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you what does the normally say shall never and say. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I touchlight every happening. Now, yesterday there was a video that was circulated whereby the Biafran National League leader, the secretary or the second in command, passed some messages on his behalf. And a lot of people were like saying that, oh, you are looking for money, blah 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 blah, because they did not fund you, because that was the content of the brief that was written. Okay, now he has come to clear the air and clarify some things that are happening and some things that people got wrong. Anyways, I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to just listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Oh, Yaounde, Shalom, Beheru, oh, oh, Israel, Beheru, Beheru, Amen. Yati Shalom, oh, Yati Shalom, Shalom, Beheru, oh, Israel, oh, Yati Shalom, oh, Yati Shalom. Shalom, hallelujah, for Israel. Amen. Shalom, everyone. Shalom, all the Jewish people. Shalom, Israel. Shalom, fellow Biafrans. Shalom, Igbos. Shalom, Efik. Shalom, Ebibio. All Biafran ethnic nationalities. Shalom, my good people of Bakassi, the people of Bakassi Peninsula, Upland Bakassi, uh, and waterside coastal area, that is mostly area controlled by Cameroon. Those controlled by Cameroon, I salute you all. Shalom, the people of Amazonia that are watching. I remember my humble self, Prince Chimeze Richard. It's been long I address you guys. It's been long I address you guys. Now, before I go into the main issue here, something was posted by my operational coordinator, though that post has been deleted and we attended an apology. A lot of you who were on the side of the Dr. Ngozi Orabuezi started running insult on me and coming to my inbox to send me that some of you self were even saying, na money you dey find, na money you dey find. You see, you're looking for money. Prince, they were writing my name, even as this statement was signed, posted by Edet Henry Edet, operational coordinator. You did not even channel your insult to him. Rather, you were attacking me. Na money in the farm. Even Edet Henry, do you know the kind of business he does? He's from Bakassi. Everybody, reasonable youth, not all, reasonable average youth in Bakassi is rich, have money. If you have where you are able to push oil business, you are able to smuggle, my brother, you're a big man, and you see an operational coordinator from Bakassi. You should have told him that he's than channeling it to me that I did not even make a post. You can't even channel it to me because I'm overall. I give order. I'm overall. I'm overall. I control the borders. I control this thing. I control the border. I control the waters. Anybody that controls the waters. I'm a big man. I'm a rich man. I control the waters. I control the land borders. You want me to tell you that I smuggle or that I push materials? Go to Bakassi, they will tell you. Go to Akampa, they will tell you. I will control the border. I will not do business at the border. And so they tell you. And so they tell you. See me, I have built 2 mansions. Go and on the lights. You would have on the generator. Let them see my house very well. Turn. You would have on the generator. Go outside and show the few building on this place. Then you show the one I opened last year. Show this one. I am not into Biafra struggle for money making. For money making. I do it with passion. I do it with passion. And I did not benefit from my father's money. My father died a multi-millionaire. He had other children. We battled. Our case is still in court. They claim I'm not in his will. I did not. Not my father. My father did not train me. My father did not train me. I was trained by my late elder sister before she died. After she died in 2012, 2013, that was when she was alive when I started Biafra struggle. They were battling me. She was calling my father. My father said, arrest him. Call the police. Immediately I came out from prison. Oh, he said, my father said, instructed they should arrest me. They called the police, they arrested me. Still, I went to Enugu again for protest. I came back. My father said they should arrest me. They called the police, but when the police came, told my mother, leave him. This is, since he has chosen to go this way. I didn't start Biafra struggle today. My father is a multi-millionaire. Yes, I'm the son of a rich man. But I made my money single-handedly. Not connection of anybody. Not help of by anybody. I made my money. And I know how I made my money. So when you see me, you respect me. Respect me. I have helped a lot of people. A lot of people I give. That is me for you. I am jovial. When you see me through life, you will know that this is Prince Will. When I took relief material to Bakassi for the IDPS, the people that brought it were from Igbo area, from Anambra. This charity, this thing, those who came to when they came, I was there. They said, Prince, where is Prince Will? Where is Prince Will? I said, I'm the one. They said, are you Prince Will? I said, yes. This small Prince Will. So now you do all this katakata, all this crap for Bakassi. I said, yes, I'm the one. And the soldiers then, they were thinking it's one giant person. They were shocked. Anybody that see me does not believe that I am even more than Asari Dokubo. Asari was thinking, though he has himself said we used to communicate and hold meeting. I know the day you saw me in Bayelsa, you met him, but he was surprised. He was surprised. I started making my money at the age of 20 years or 19 years. At the age of 19 years, I started making my money. I'm 32 years old. I have achieved what some youth in my town have not achieved. Today in my town, I decided to come home. Today in my town, many youths, if I come back home, if the reverend fathers of the churches don't come here, because they know a big man is so. My community, they come here, I host them. I give them giveaway. I have an NGO, I do give away. I do give away. Go and check. If though I do it mostly Akwa Ibom, Cross River. The only one I did was a free fuel giveaway. When the first classes started, when they increased fuel initially during Buhari, I did fuel giveaway. I paid filling stations. The very links, I paid them. The pictures are there. Go and start Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative. You are going to see all those activities there. I am trying at the moment now. I'm trying to bring somebody stranded in India back to Nigeria from Akwa Ibom. I sent money for flight tickets to his brother. Go to his brother. Just type. Go to Facebook. What's that his brother's name? But when you go to Facebook, the guy's name is Dan Solo Dan. Dan Solo Dan. His brother's name is Ngozi. No, that is what. Samuel Dan. Go and ask him. They are all from Uyo. They are from Uyo. But I didn't play tribalism. For those saying, why is DNA play tribalism? I didn't play tribalism. I don't play tribalism. That is why I have followers from other tribes. I see everybody as one. If you see yourself as Igbo. I see everybody like I see Igbos. I see everybody. I see Igbo as my tribe. Because we are not different. We are not different. It's better we bring all the people together than pushing all the people away. I'm happy. The new Hanese President General is an Ikwere man. He's an Ikwere man. Let him at least bring Ikwere closer. And he's doing well. His people are with him. I used to see videos. Then coming to the post that was made, pleadings has been tendered. I have spoken with the acting Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile. Why I chose to work with Biafra or chose to be or belong to Biafra Republic government in exile. Master Simon never. There is no written document signed by him that Dr. Ngozi is the next in command. She's the chief of staff. a chief of staff, someone does not have a date, but I know he has people he trusts. I followed Dr. Ngozi fully after that declaration. The way she spoke, I followed her. Then I didn't even know that not everybody had agreed with her. I was following her. I think at first they sent me 4 million. The person I followed that made me to even follow her more is a defense chief of defense time. He was very close. We are from the same area, so we were very close. We are from the same state, the same town, so we were very close. Aside the Biafra activities, so he made me to understand that Dr. Ngozi, we should follow Dr. Ngozi until when success. Many of you may know him, especially on Twitter. Success. Wake is now answering Wake before. I think success cheaper than called me that am I following Dr. Ngozi? I said, where do I belong before? Where is there any? Or you people did not agree with this? I should better join them. I should better come back to that she was not authorized. She better come back to the main Biafra Republic government in exile. So I reasoned, even when she made that declaration of government, within me I said, when this thing cause division, declaration of government became a prime minister. I know this thing will cause division. I was telling my boss that this thing will go, let us stay calm first. Let us stay calm first. We did not operate for like if possible 5 weeks to 6 weeks. We did not operate. I was like, what is this? So before Sussex called me, I had meeting with the acting prime minister. Okay. I said, okay, BNL is still active. Still active. So that was how we, we went. In every organization, in the government, there are always misunderstanding. But I accepted that we overreacted, which is not proper. Which is not proper. All right, I think that's all I have to say. I wish everybody well. I wish everybody well. Yana thought of Biafra. I'm not hiding it. For those that say, hey, if freedom fighter is not doing content, comedy content, I owe you no apology. I owe you no apology for doing something that makes me happy. Are you getting me? I owe you no apology for doing something that makes me happy. Because Biafra is not where I work. It's not where I work. I know a lot of celebrities and they have been pushing me, calling me that, Prince Will, I should come and produce film now. I have the money. Come and produce film. I say, my brother, if you produce film, how much you go sell am? How much you go sell am for? Wey you go produce, spend millions, go produce film. They say no, a film wey you go fit produce in 1 million. Say 1 million naira. You come sell am how much? To Africa, how much African magic or how much they go buy? Say no, I don't want to do anything that will make me to be losing money. You understand? How much am I going to pay celebrities? All those big ones. Like Mama Chi, Ngozi, what's that her name? Ngozi is on. How much am I going to pay them? So I said no. I don't have money to pay them. You better I do. Let me just. If now I'm mad, appear for a movie, maybe because of the way I talk or something, because of the way when I don't see say make I find money. It's better I start doing my own content, and I'm doing my content. I'm not doing it for money. I pay big content creators to come and to feature them in my content. Some of you watch the one I did with Rolex, the one I did with Rolex, and that one una see, yeah, means we don't go to do content. Means we don't go to do content. I'm doing it in a big way, not even in a big way. When I take big content creators, I was about doing with Chasamun. Chasamun is my uncle, it's my community here. I was about doing with him before I had a problem in my leg. When I go to see me with big actors, when I say hey, they do content, when I say hey, they do content, when I say hey, they do because of say I'm the one paying them. Before you say I find money, I'm the one paying them. For now, very soon I'll stop paying them. They will be coming to identify with me. I don't need their money. How much will they give me? Do you know how much I make in a month? In a month. And they go people.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.